SAS Interview question and answer. Question number 70. How do you use SAS data step to get same result as inner join from Proc SQL? This is the one of the example I am showing, which is a continuation of question number 69, where there is given two code. One is inner join with Proc SQL and other one is data step merge. This question is asking about how can you get the same result from data step merge and inner join. What are the conditions do we have to use? Common information which exists in both tables can be obtained by using following data step merge, which results exactly same as the result obtained from inner join with Proc SQL. To explain this question, we are going to take two examples. Data set is employee and another data set department. Employee data table, it has 5 variables and 6 records. A department table, it has 2 variables and 5 records. Let me explain first Proc SQL inner join. We are going to use above mentioned two tables, department and employee table, to obtain the common record, common information which exists on both tables. Let's start from Proc SQL. We are going to create a table. Create table inner underscore join as select e.star, where E is alias name for employee table, d.department name. That means I'm going to select all field from employee table and department name from department table. Inner join department D, where D is alias name for department, on e.department ID equal d.department ID. Order by e.department ID quit. In this Proc SQL inner join code, we are going to use department ID variable to join the two table employee and department. That means it will select only those records in which department ID are same in department and employee table. When we run first set of code, then it will generate output result as shown on the right side last table, where it is mentioned here output result from Proc SQL join. In this table, it has 6 variables and 5 records, where department ID 20, 20, 20, 23 and 25. These are existing department ID on both tables. That means inside employee table as well as department table. Let me use data step process. To use the data step merge, we are using above mentioned two table, employee and department. Before using data step merge, we have to sort the data. That's why proc sort data employee by department ID and run. That means it will sort the data employee by department ID. Similarly, proc sort data department by department ID run. In this code, it will sort data, that means the department table, by department ID. After then, we use data step, data final underscore data, merge, we use merge statement, employee, where this employee table is sorted employee table, in option is used, in equals to A, suppose, department, in option is B, by department ID, because we have already sorted these two tables by department ID. That means we are going to take common variable from these two tables as a department ID. If A and B, then output. That means if department ID with employee table and department ID with department, they are equal, then only those records will go to output table. That means it says here if A and B, then output. If A equals to B, is the same condition. That means if two values are equal, where A and B are in this case department ID, then it goes to output table and run. When we run this second set of code, then first of all it will sort the data, after then it will merge, and finally we will get the result as shown on the below table. It is from output result from data step merge. This table has 6 variables and 5 records. Those records are exactly same as previously obtained record from Proc SQL inner join. There may be one or two records just interchange its position, but final result is exactly same. If we run same set of code with SAS window, then we will get exactly same result. Let me go through the SAS window and run the same program. This is SAS window. It has 4 different programs. First two programs, they create employee and department table. Third program is for inner join, Proc SQL inner join. And fourth program is for data step merge. Let me explain third and fourth program. Third program, Proc SQL, create table inner join or inner underscore join as select e.star, that means select all field from employee, d.department name, only department name from department table, from employee E, inner join, department D, on e.department ID equal d.department ID. That means joining field, common field is department ID. Order by e.department ID and quit. Fourth program is data step merge. Before using data step merge, we need to sort the data. That's why proc sort data employee by department ID. Similarly, proc sort data department by department ID. Then final data step, data final underscore data, merge, employee in is option where in equals to A and department in equals to B by department ID, where A and B are value of department ID, because common variable is department ID. If A and B, then output. That means if the value of department ID from employee and department both are same, then those records will go to output table and run. Let me run 4 different programs at the same time. Then we have 4 different tables. employee, department, final data step, inner join, SQL step. First one is employee table. It has 6 records and 5 variables. Next one, department. It has 5 records and 2 variables. Next one, final data step merge. It has 5 records and 6 variables. And last one is inner join. It has 5 records and 6 variables. But those records are same. Only few records position has interchange. But we are taking here common department ID. That's why department ID with inner join output and merge output, they must have same value. As a result, whole data set is same. In this way, we can obtain same result from data step merge and inner join. In case of data step merge, we use in option and we have to mention if in option A or from one table equal to in option with other table. That's all about question number 70. Thank you.